Hi everyone, I am Jovana, an application engineer here at Typhoon HIL. Today, I will be presenting you with a new feature from our electrical machines library, the Permanent Magnet Synchronous Machine. We wanted to create a more realistic representation of the Permanent Magnet Synchronous Machine model and its ability to directly import lookup tables from the Finite Element Analysis tool. If you double-click on the mask, you will notice that in the combo box, beside the linear and nonlinear machine type, you can find the nonlinear spatial harmonic machine type. Before the simulation, I will explain what the spatial harmonics represent. Spatial harmonics represent the effects of machine geometry on the inductances, fluxes, and torque, which are now included. You can now also take mechanical angle dependency on currents and torque into consideration. Unlike the nonlinear machine model in our spatial harmonic machine type, where the machine inductances are functions of currents, here the machine inductances are a function of both current and angle. Now I will show you a 10 kilowatt permanent magnet synchronous machine example. I will also demonstrate the difference between linear and nonlinear spatial harmonic machine types. I will start with the nonlinear model. If you chose the nonlinear model, press the Load and Compile button. The SCADA panel for this example will be open. Now, let's capture the currents and machine electrical torque. Press your Force 3 button and run the simulation. We will open these results in our signal analyzer. Now we will do the same thing in the case that the nonlinear spatial harmonic type is chosen. On account of the results we obtained in this case, we will have to open the signal analyzer as well. Now, we can compare the results from both cases. Furthermore, if the currents from both simulations are compared, the impact of the mechanical dependence on the angle on the operation of the machine is evident. Let me summarize the benefits of this feature. We now have an improved high-fidelity model of a permanent magnet synchronous machine. We also have a direct import to lookup tables from the Finite Element Analysis tool, for example with JMAG. If you have any additional questions, concerns, or topics that you would like for us to cover, please let us know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and find us on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.